Everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from an ATM using a Chime virtual card. So the thing is that when you're using a virtual card, some ATMs give you the option to withdraw money using a virtual card, but many don't. So there's a part of luck that you get the ATM that gives you the option to withdraw money from using a virtual card. So yeah, but if you want to basically withdraw money from cardless ATMs and yeah, if you want to withdraw money from cardless ATMs, you will simply open your bank account, initiate your withdrawal, and have eligible mobile wallet, and then simply scan it. And yeah, this is how you can easily withdraw money, or just simply put your phone while opening the wallet to the scanner, and yeah, you will simply choose your amount after that. Verify your transaction, and then you will get your money from the ATM. So yeah, this is how you can easily use a Chime virtual card to withdraw money from ATM. But please remember that most ATMs right now don't do have the option, but some do. So choose the ones that are closer to you and the ones that have this option. So yeah, thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.